Welcome back to Boating Journey. This week we are touring the 2018 Azimut 72, named Velocity. She has a length overall of 72 feet and a beam of 17 feet. Velocity sleeps 8 guests in 4 ensuite cabins, a primary, VIP, and 2 guest cabins, one of which is a double. Her twin MAN V12's 1400 horsepower will top out at 32 knots with a speedy cruising speed of 26 knots. Let's go aboard. Welcome to Boating Journey. I'm Scott and she's Allie. We own 2 boats in the Pacific Northwest, but have recently found ourselves boatless after moving to southern Florida. We moved to be closer to different boating opportunities in the Caribbean, our favorite boating destination. Our goals are to explore the Florida waters, bring you some new boat tours, and hopefully find our next boat. So come along and follow us on our boating journey. As it rained the night before, the canvas had not yet been removed. So as I walk around the exterior, I'll drop in some shots taken on a sunnier day so you can see all Velocity has to offer. Boarding from the port side stairs, a nice feature to have with fixed docks. You'll find a large table and U-shaped seating. The cockpit offers plenty of comfort for 6 to 8 guests. Extending from the starboard transom stairs, the passerelle makes boarding a breeze when mid-mooring. Next to the Flybridge stairs, you'll find the aft mooring controls to help make your mid-docking a piece of cake. Making our way to the bow along the teak walkways, the walkway does narrow a bit the farther forward you go, but with high, robust handrails, you feel safe the entire way. There is integrated fender storage and another U-shaped seating area with table. At the bow, you'll find the windlass, storage, anchor locker access, and foot controls. The anchor is recessed into the bow so it doesn't protrude out front. Looking back towards the Flybridge, we find a massive sun lounge with 3 adjustable sun pads and room for several beanbags as well. Here, you'll also notice the retractable sunshade over the table seating area. As I walk back to the cockpit, I notice that the port walkway is a little narrower than the starboard side, so it seems to be a bit of an asymmetrical design. So now let's check out the Flybridge. From aft, there's a barbecue station with grill and sink to starboard, and an L-shaped sofa seating to port. Moving forward, there's another large seating area and table to port, and a wet bar to starboard with refrigerator, ice maker, and sink. To the port of the Helm station is a settee for alfresco dining. The Helm station includes Raymarine electronics and displays, bow and stern thrusters, and throttle, joystick, and Seakeeper controllers. And finally, there's a large sunroof and shade integrated into the hardtop, and a shade that extends from the hard cover to cover the aft portion of the deck. So now let's go check out the interior. Entering through a very heavy glass door, you have your most important item, your bar, immediately to starboard. There's a love seat to starboard and a large sectional sofa to port with a modern table. A pop-up TV with surround sound system is found behind the love seat, with additional surround sound speakers behind the sofa. As we move forward, you'll find dinner space for 8. I like that it has a glass table, so it makes the space feel larger. Here, we have a nice galley with storage all around. Refrigerator, freezer, storage under the double sink, a Miele convection micro, a Miele induction cooktop, and a dishwasher tucked under the countertop. Across from the galley, we have a side door for exterior access and additional storage under the captain's seats. Moving into the lower helm station, again we have Raymarine electronics and displays, bow and stern thrusters, a throttle, joystick, and Seakeeper controllers. The visibility is fine, but I think you may be operating this vessel from the Flybridge more often than not. Before heading down below, there is a settee for working and eating to port. Now it's time to check out the cabins. Let's go forward straight to the VIP. The VIP offers a queen bed with overhead storage on both sides of the bed, and an ensuite with a large shower, toilet, and a single sink and vanity. In addition, there is a hanging locker and TV. Just outside of the VIP cabin, you'll find the shared dayhead with shower, toilet, and vanity. Continuing aft and to port, there's a guest cabin with a double bed, TV, hanging locker, and shared access to the dayhead. Across the hall, we find the second guest cabin with 2 twin beds, TV, hanging locker, and ensuite with a vanity, toilet, and shower. And finally, continuing aft and down a few steps, we enter into the primary suite. So from here, we have a little seating area to starboard, a lowered platform king-sized bed, a surround sound system with TV hidden behind the mirror, and plenty of storage drawers below. Storage here, more storage, and more storage. The ensuite offers a dual sink floating vanity, a toilet, and a large range shower head shower. This is such a great boat that can either be crewed or owner operated for a long weekend when heading over to the Bahamas. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If so, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell. And leave a comment. We always love to hear from you, all of which really helps us with YouTube. See you next time.